My name is Daovy Mitapasong, or people call me Yang. I'm doing Diploma of Communications and I'm from Laos, but my ethnicity is Vietnamese. My experience for this program was absolutely fantastic. If I would rate it like 10 out of 10. Because like the instructors were really knowledgeable and supportive, and the offer that they gave was really practical and insightful. The thing that I like the most about this program is its hands-on approach. Instead of just like talking about like theoretical concepts, we actually like apply all things that we learned from the program to the real life scenarios. So that makes everything more like effective, yeah, and like enjoyable as well. From this program, I also like gained a lot of new skills, like such as like creating appealing resumes, like developing my networking skills, and also like we got to do a lot of practical interviews. So it's developed my like professional interview skills as well. Yeah, actually, this program really like helped me to clarify my career goals and also my aspirations. Like we got to do like a lot of self-assessment exercises, and it helped us a lot on like understanding our strengths and interests as well. Yeah, it was really useful, especially it was on Canvas where like everyone know how to use it during like their studies here, and the materials were really useful as well. It have everything like interviewing skills or like how to write a better resume. Yeah, and it's very convenient and accessible. So yeah, for me it's really useful. Absolutely, yes. Yeah, I would recommend this to anyone that like like seeking to start their jobs or start their career goals, because not only help you to learn a lot of like valuable skills, but also like the teams behind it, really professional, and they will help you like step by step toward your goals. Yeah, so I would recommend this.